Ginger and lemon bedtime drink equals weight loss. Lose weight while you sleep. Ginger and lemon. Bedtime drink that burns fat naturally.
Drinking ginger and lemon before bedtime is a popular natural method for supporting weight loss, and it's backed by some promising benefits. Here's how it works and how to make it. Ginger and lemon bedtime drink. Natural fat-burning benefits. Why it works. Thermogenic effect. Ginger boosts metabolism and increases calorie burn during sleep. Digestive support. Both ingredients aid digestion, reduce bloating, and promote smoother gut function. Appetite control. Ginger increases satiety and reduces hunger pangs, helping curb late-night snacking. Detoxification. Lemon supports liver function and helps flush out toxins overnight. Sleep enhancing. The warm drink can calm the body, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality, which is crucial for weight loss.
Exercise daily.
Simple recipe. No pills, no additives. Ingredients. 1 inch fresh ginger, grated. 1 lemon, juiced or sliced. 4 cups boiling water. Optional. 1 teaspoon honey, mint leaves, cinnamon stick. Instructions. Add grated ginger to boiling water and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Add lemon juice or slices and let it steep. Strain and cool slightly. Drink a cup warm before bed. Store the rest for the next day. Tips and precautions. Avoid excess ginger if you have acid reflux or are on blood thinners. Consult a doctor if pregnant or managing chronic conditions. Combine with a balanced diet and movement for best results. Check your weight daily. Thank you for watching.